Yeah, young nigga bringing gangster back. You know it's Red Boy, yeah, that's so exact. You don't wanna with me cause your skull get cracked. If you talking that shit, then you might get slapped. You know how I do, shorty, this is more than a rap. You don't wanna be up in the fucking trap with no pistol in your fucking pants. You don't wanna with me, I make your ass dance. Shoot at your leg, shoot at your head. Hold up, goddamn, let's leave him dead. Knowing how I said, I be getting the dough. Hold up, wait a minute, let my crackhead smoke. You already know me, I be at the front door with the AK like nigga, like I'm Rambo. You don't want it like that, nigga, I'm stupid high. You don't want to get like me, I'm too fly. And I'm scared of heights, nigga, yeah, I got right. I be getting money, shorty, probably riding on the bike. I be riding on the 10 speed, nigga, what you gotta greed, get money, hold up, stop. More legs on the chopper than the centipede. You don't want that, nigga. You'll catch it. You already know me, nigga. It get hectic. You better respect it before you be found in the ditch. Hold up, my niggas, I made them rich. We getting that money, shorty. So ain't that a bitch? You don't want to with a shorty. You might meet the clip. You might meet the butt of the gun. Get hit in your head and try to run. But my niggas got guns too. You know how we do. We divide and imply you. You already know. God damn, I ain't gonna lie to you. Getting a lot of money, that's something we like to do. If you ain't getting no money with us, nigga, fuck you. We be getting a lot of bread. Trying to eat this cheddar, you already know me, nigga. I like mozzarella. I'm going off the head, nigga. Yeah, they call me red. You get chopped in the face for talking all that mace shit. You know how we do, swinging that amazing grace in your face. We blowing on that amazing shit. My eyes squinting like Asians. You don't want that, shorty. You be acting like Caucasians. When you come up in the hood, you knowin' what's good. My niggas up in Riverdale got shit understood. We walking around with the choppers that's holding down. You don't want it with us, shorty, cause we known for fucking around and spitting the rounds. Laying niggas down, hold up. Now he was smiling, now his face went to a frown. Face on the ground, give me all of the cheese. You already know, if a nigga breathe wrong, then I squeeze. Nigga, turn a nigga to a lemonade. Know how I do, nigga. Yeah, you a hater, babe. You already know a nigga like me floating, getting money called, so I do a slow motion. In the kitchen working. You don't want it with us cause we get murking. Get the murking, lean niggas down. You don't want it with us shoulder cause we just smoking pounds. We smoking pounds and passing around the blunt once. You already know how we do. We got stunts. Damn. Nigga going off the head, that's all red. You know how I do it, shorty. You just know how I just say it. I just say it like I mean it. You already know. Nigga get money's hold up. I confetti blow. Confetti blow. Hold up, belly low. He don't want it with me cause nigga I'm hectic though. I just fucked up, but I don't give a fuck. You get hit in your head and put in the back of the truck. 18 wheeler, roll over and spill you. You know how we do, nigga. I might Johnny Gill you. Hold up, hopping out the truck with the AR. Hold up, god damn it, nigga. I'm a hood star. You don't wanna fuck with a nigga like me. Hold up, nigga. In a wife beater in a T. Hit a nigga up, shorty, leave him gone. First degree. That's how I just wrap this shit up like a burger bee. You know how I do, nigga, walking burgundy, hit a nigga up, shorty, rock a nigga out his knee. Rock a nigga out his knee when I hit him with the eagle. You don't want it with me, you thugs driving the Beetle. Nigga, come on, dog. You don't know how we just do. We pull up in the Caprice and say, nigga, fuck you. Looking out, y'all, through my tent. You hold up. Wait a minute, motherfucker got me bent. You know how I do. I count every cent. And every day of the month, I'm paying the rent. Nigga, you better pay your percent. If you selling on my block, then you paying the rent. Nigga, knowing how I do, nigga, I ring your bell. Hit a nigga in his head and put him on shell. Diet like Taco Bell, you know how I do. Hit a nigga up, then I go drink me a brew. Nigga, this is what I just do. I freestyle in the bathroom. How about you, nigga? In the bathroom, nigga, freestyling, man. This how I do it, man. Look, in the bathroom, freestyling. Nigga need to stop this shit, bruh. Holla at your boy, though, man. You know how I do. This your boy, Red Boy, nigga. Bow, 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 bow. Freestyling, nigga. Fucked up a little bit, but still picked it back up like a baby picking up candy off the ground, nigga. That's how it go down, nigga. Hey, fuck what you do, boy. Salute.